Hey you guys, welcome back to my garden. Today I have several chores that I've been doing outside in the garden. So I thought what better thing to do than bring you guys along. I'm going to go ahead and start planting up one of my fountains, the urn of course. So I'm going to do it a little bit different than last year. So last year I packed in a ton of plants. I had a very beautiful display. I find myself mitigating overcrowding through the plants throughout the season as they progress. But the reason why I planted it up so heavily is because I wanted instant impact, which is fine and okay, but sometimes you kind of pay for that. So for this season in my garden, a lot of my urns, I'm going to have more of a wispy feel. I don't know if I'm going to do a lot of different color palettes this year, but for this color palette and this urn, I'm going to start off with one of my favorites, a lemon coral sedum. You see it here. So lemon coral sedum, it could take full sun or part shade. The height is from 3 to 10 inches, and they tell you to space it 8 inches apart. So for this one, I think I'm going to go ahead and use 3 because I do want it to be heavy. But the star of the show is going to be this Super Tunia Vista bubblegum. I need something that's going to give me the power. So because I'm not overpacking it, I need something that's going to perform. And while it may not look like much right now, trust me, in a couple of weeks, it's going to be doing its own thing, and you're going to be shocked at the outcome. So here we go. Here, everybody knows about the excuse me, ma'am. Everyone knows about Super Tunias. I mean, who doesn't know about them? Everybody knows about petunias. So it's nothing new under the sun, so they say. So let's get to it. So I'm going to go in and just cut off a few of these dead blooms. I'm not afraid of that. It's only going to really just make it just poof out even more. Thank you guys for watching as I planted up my fountain urn. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you again for your continued support. And as always, I'll be showing you pictures later.